You are an advertiser or a business person who is trying to generate sales and results from Facebook advertisements and finding hard ways to do it. You tried all the stuff that you wanted to do and you had in your head, but nothing is working out, right? So in this video I'm going to talk about exactly 5 points so that you can check all the points that exactly you are working on, and you can find that what exactly you are missing so that you can work and you can generate good results from your Facebook advertisements. So let me tell you about myself. I'm a Facebook advertiser. I have more than 3 years of experience in Facebook advertisements, and I have clients from international like US, India, Australia, Canada, and other parts of the country. So I generate good sales for them. Especially I manage e-commerce brands and other brands also, but I'm more focused in e-commerce. So yeah, this is a nutshell about myself. So let's jump into the right points that we are going to discuss about in this video. So number one thing is define your target audience. Yes, targeting is very important in Facebook. Yes, if your targeting is like broken, so you are missing a lot of opportunity in Facebook advertisements that is providing. Like targeting is the most important and most ingredient in Facebook advertisements. You have to first, how you should start with the targeting. You should go for the broad targeting first when your campaigns are very new and your ad accounts are very new and you have not run any advertisements on your Facebook ad account. So you should go for the broad, and once you reach mass of the audience, then you start narrow down your audiences so that you can target only those people who are interested in buying your products. So that's how you should do it. First go for the broad, then start observing that what kind of data you are getting, and on the basis of data you should narrow down to your audiences that exactly who are buyers of your product or service that exactly you're offering. Number two, create engaging ad copies and visuals. Yes, this is very important. If your visuals are broke and if your visuals are not appealing to your audiences or the video you're trying to reach out with people, so that must be engaging, right? So if your videos are not great quality very important in Facebook. Like Facebook promotes those advertisements who have high quality or who are in as SD picture, so you need to go for that, right? So your advertisements quality must be higher and ad copies have a great value providing to your audience. They must know that they are whatever you're providing to them, that is adding value to your audience right away. Number three, test different ad formats. Yes, ad format, like if you are going for the like image, so you need also to test from the video part and also carousel parts. So you can go for the video and carousel, so that you can test what is working best for you. Initially what people do, I have seen in advertisements, they go for the creatives, the image part, but I don't recommend. If yeah, initially that you can go for the creative part, but you also need to try image other parts of like carousel, catalog, or the video part is very crucial in the Facebook advertisements, so you can go for that also, right? So that is what exactly. Number four, your offer. Yes, your offer must be appealing, and in my all of videos I always talk about offer is everything. If your offer is weak, so you are missing a biggest opportunity in the market. Let me tell you how. In the market, everybody has something to offer, and in all of them, if your offer is weak, you might be missing a great opportunity, my dear friend. That is what exactly you need to work. You can ignore rest of the things, but you cannot ignore the offer. Your offer must be appealing and value providing to your customer. That is what exactly you have to do. How you prepare them to make a purchase, that is your offer. So you must work on your offer. If your offer is weak, like 10%, 20%, or free shipping is also not a great value providing thing. So your offer must be a high value, like 50%, 55%, 40%, not below 40. So your offer is very crucial plays a crucial part in Facebook advertisements. So exactly that you have to work on. Number 5, make a use of retargeting. Most of the people, what they do is they start from the top of the funnel, but at the end of that they forget about other two funnels that Facebook provides, that is bottom of the funnel and middle of the funnel. If you are missing these two parts, that you might be getting results but not that kind of results that you wanted from your Facebook ad. So do not forget about your retargeting purpose, like those people who went on a website and did add to cart, so you can retarget them in your Facebook advertisements. And also who did initial checkout, who added payment, who just viewed your content, so you can retarget them, so that actually they have went on your profile on your landing page and they have little about your business and little about your product. Only you need extra effort, and that extra effort does from your Facebook retargeting. So that is what. So these were the 5 points, and if I tell you what are the most important points from these 5, so I would go for the remarketing, and number 2 is offer. If you can work on these two, and most of the people ignore these two parts, and initially I was also the part of this, but now I understand this is the most crucial part that I need to work, and most of the results I'm getting from there. So you also need to work on that, and the rest, let's see. Just comment on my comments box, and let me know what exactly you are facing. If there is anything, let me know. And for such more videos, subscribe this channel right away. Thank you so much.